today we are going to begin with the lesson number 7 of your class 6 English, that is the sailor and his pet. So let's begin with this lesson. Old sailor Johnny J loved the sea. Old sailor जो था Johnny J, उसको sea बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थी. From the year he turned 12, he started sailing. 12 years की ऐसे उन्होंने sail करना start कर दिया था. So since then he has been 66 years. तो वो कितने years के? 66 years के. He has sailed across the world. अब तक उन्होंने across पूरे world में sail कर चुके हैं. He has seen many countries. उन्होंने बहुत सारी countries भी देखी हैं. But the sea was his home. But जो sea थी, समुद्र था, उनका घर था. He did not like to live on land for a long period of time. ज़्यादा period of time के लिए, long period, ज़्यादा दिनों के लिए उनको land पे रहना पसंद नहीं था. He had small cabin on an island of Guiana. Guiana पे एक छोटा सा cabin था, where he chose to stay instead of with his family, which lived on a nearby island. So उन्होंने वहाँ रहना choose करा instead of his family जो पास के island में रहती थी. Johnny J has had only one constant friend over the years. उनका खाली एक constant friend था पूरे इतने सारे years में. Crazy Coot, as he was known, spoke like a man with a very odd shrieking tone. That is Crazy Coot, जिसकी जो man की तरह बोलता था अपनी shrieking tone में. Crazy Coot and Johnny J both loved the sea. दोनों को sea बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थी. And like all sailors enjoyed their own company. वो अपनी company खुद से enjoy करते थे. Meeting people always made them cranky with people. अगर वो people से मिलते हैं वो cranky feel करने लगते हैं, irritable feel करने लगते हैं. Cranky means strange and bad-tempered feel करने लगते हैं. But what made Crazy Coot really special was that he was a macaw. जो special क्या बनाते हैं कि वो क्या था, एक macaw था. Macaw, a kind of South American parrot. So his plumage and tail feathers were scarlet. उसके tail feathers क्या थे? उसके plumage क्या थे? Plumage, the feathers covering a full body, is scarlet like bright red. So the rump of light blue and the upper wing was yellow. Rump क्या था? Light blue था. मेरा back side light blue थी और upper wing क्या था? Yellow था. Macaw are very intelligent and can be taught to speak. वो इतने intelligent होते हैं, उन्हें हम बोलना सिखा सकते हैं. Crazy Coot had a bad temper. Crazy Coot का बहुत bad temper था, and when irritated he will shout. जब वो irritated हो जाता था वो shout करता था. Almost like humans की तरह. He loved watching old movies with Johnny J. Johnny J के साथ उसे देखनी, पुरानी movies देखनी बहुत पसंद थी. And could imitate sounds of gunfire. और imitate करता था sound किसकी? Gunfire की. He could also speak some dialogues from the movie. और वो movie के कुछ dialogues भी बोलता था. He loved to whistle. उसको whistle करना बहुत पसंद था. Whenever he saw a girl or a woman, he would whistle loudly. जब वो किसी woman या girl को देखता था, वो whistle करता था तेजी से. And pretend to faint. और faint होने की कोशिश करता था. He also threw his favorite food. वो अपने favorite food ही फेंक दिया था. Sunflower seeds throughout Johnny J's house. पूरे Johnny J के house में. And love to hide behind things. और चीजों के पीछे उसको छुपना बहुत पसंद था. Johnny J and Crazy Coot were a well-matched pair. ये well-matched pair थे. Pair stubborn and solitary. Johnny J's older sister Missy May was not fond of the macaw. Johnny J की जो old sister थी Missy May, उसको macaw बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. She could visit them when Johnny J and Crazy Coot were staying in their home on the island of Guiana. वो जब जाती थी उनसे मिलने, जब वो गुआना रहते थे Crazy Coot और Johnny J. Whenever Missy May was around Crazy Coot, जब वो Crazy Coot के पास होती थी, he would screech at her. वो मतलब चिल्लाना start कर देती थी. Screech at her, then he would make sound of police siren and gunshots. वो किसकी sound बनाता था? Police siren की and gunshots की. And laugh aloud. Missy May, as you can imagine, was not very happy with Crazy Coot. आप imagine कर सकते हो कि वो happy feel नहीं करती थी Crazy Coot के साथ. One afternoon, Missy May came to visit Johnny J. एक दिन में क्या होता है? Missy May Johnny J से मिलने आती है. And she did not find her brother in the house. जब उसको अपना भाई नहीं मिला घर में, she decided to sleep in the parlor for some time. उसने decide करा कि वो parlor में ही सोएगी थोड़े टाइम के लिए. She ignored Crazy Coot. उसने ignore कर दिया Crazy Coot को. उसने इग्नोर कर दिया क्रेजी कूट को. When he did not get the attention that he wanted, जब क्रेजी कूट को अटेंशन नहीं मिली जो उसको चाहिए थी, क्रेजी कूट started muttering and then hid behind some books. उसने मटर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और कुछ बुक्स के पीछे छुप गया. Then a chief climbed in from window of the parlor. एकदम thief आ जाता है कहाँ से? विंडो ऑफ द पार्लर से. He started putting things in his bag quietly because he did not want to wake up Missy May. तो उसने क्या करा, चीजें अपने बैग में डालने स्टार्ट कर दी क्योंकि वो नहीं जगाना चाहता था मिसी मे को. But the thief did not know about Crazy Coot who was hiding behind the books. But उसको thief को Crazy Coot के बारे में नहीं पता था जो बुक्स के पीछे छुपा हुआ था. Out of nowhere someone shouted. कोई चिल्लाएगा, you thief, you kill me. You thief, you kill me, leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ो. I call police. मैं पुलिस को बुलाता हूँ. You go to jail. तुम जेल जाओगे. You thief, are you trying to kill me? क्या तुम मुझे मारने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? Leave me alone. I will call the police. मुझे अकेले छोड़ दो, मैं पुलिस को बुलाता हूँ. You will go to jail. तुम जेल जाओगे. It was followed by the sounds of police siren and gunshots. उसने पुलिस siren gunshots की आवाज निकालनी स्टार्ट कर दी. Suddenly terrified, the thief stood as if he had turned into stone. उसको लगा कि वो तो पकड़ा गया. The thief jumped to escape. Thief ने भागने की कोशिश करी and at same time the sister shot up the chair. Shot up from the chair. एकदम से sister chair पे से उठ जाती है. Surprised, the thief tripped. एकदम से thief क्या होता है? Trip हो जाता है. Stumbled and fell, मतलब गिर जाता है and stuck his head on the table. और उसका सर टेबल पे लग जाता है. He fainted. वो faint हो गया. Missy May then called the police. Missy May ने पुलिस को बुलाया. Who arrested the thief? Feeling ecstatic at being saved, Missy May went to the Crazy Coot to pet him. फिर Missy May कहाँ गई? Ecstatic feel करके, मतलब happy feel करके Crazy Coot से वो Crazy Coot के पास गई उसको pet करने के लिए. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Now let's solve the exercises of this lesson. Johnny J started sailing at the age of 12. Who loved the sea? Both. Dash had a bad temper, Crazy Coot. Dash was not fond of the McCoy, Missy May. The thief was caught because of Crazy. Now, complete the given sentences in your own words. Now, first one. Miss May was not fond of Crazy Coot because he was she thinks he was noisy and mischievous. Crazy Coot was not an ordinary pet because he could talk and mimic like a human. Crazy Coot would screech at Missy May probably because like he likes teasing her and got excited seeing her reaction. Crazy Coot would screech at Johnny J and Crazy Coot made for a well-matched pair because they both loved the sea. The chief was surprised and subsequently tripped, leading to his capture because the thief was surprised and subsequently leading to his capture because Crazy Coot makes the sound of the police and the gunshots. Now let's answer the following questions. First one. What kind of birds are macaws? What is special about them? Macaws are large, colorful birds, large, colorful parrots known for their intelligence and ability to speak like humans. And their specialty is they make sounds like humans. Give two proofs from the story that indicate that Johnny J and Crazy Coot were not used to living among the lots of people. They made a lot of noise when someone they make a lot of noise when someone interfere or someone unfamiliar or interested and someone unfamiliar entered. Second point is they reacted fearfully and unloudly to the thief, showing they were not used to strangers. What would have happened to Missy May had she woken up while the thief was still in the middle of his burglary? Yes, she woke up. She stood from her chair when the Crazy Coot make the noise that the thief is in the room, and when he make the noise of the gunshots and the police. Why did the thief turn into stone? The thief turned into stone because he don't know that the parrot, the crazy coot is over there. Then the crazy coot make the sound of the police and the thief. Then he turned into stone. How do you think people decide which animal, bird, or reptile they want as a pet? They decide according to what they like, for which animal or pet they like. They decide according to that. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.